Hello, I'm Pramod. I'm a student in University of Ulster who's doing the final year of BSc Computing Systems. And today I'm here to demonstrate one of our final module mini group project. We have to demonstrate the temperature using by the terminator, and this is the board. I can call it a microcontroller PIC16F877A, and in this video I'm going to connect the port in between the board one by other, and there are some cables which I'm going to use to connect the ports. There are some pins in there, so I can use these cables in there, and this cable is using for the keyboard output, and this is the power, and this pitch kit is for the board to take output for the laptop and use this cable to take this output. Alright, so basically I'm going to start in from port A. Starting from port A means the first thing I'm going to do in there, connect the port A with the columns in there, and in the port B the 0 pin is going to the NTC pin in there, and port A pin 5 is connecting with the speaker in there. So I'm going to show it now. First I'm starting to connect it with the keyboard, and the first one from the port A is going to column 1, and second one is going to column 2. Things that the problem with the cable, it's okay, see it. And the third one is connecting with column 3, and the fourth one is connecting with column 4. Alright, now I'm going to connect NTC with the 0 pin in the port A and the NTC in there, and also port A5 with the speaker. That's done here. Now port A is done. Now everything has connected with in the board somewhere. Now I'm going to get the port B and connect it with the rows in there. I need 4 cables. For that I will use this one. I'm going to take it from 1, 2, 3, and 4. We need to make sure to connect with the right pin in there. So basically the row 4, the fourth one is the gray wire, and it should go to the 4th pin in the port B, and then we can go so on. And the connection is done here, and next thing I'm going to do is to connect the next 4 pins with the port digit there. So basically what I have to do is connect pin 3 in there with the 4th pin in the digit, and the second pin need to connect with the pin 3, and the first one is connecting with pin 2 in the digit. At last I'm going to connect 0 with the digit pin 1. Basically what this digit is doing, the sending information to the 7-segment display in here. So once he get output from the port B, it's transferring the data to digit, and then it's going to display in the 7-segment. And next connection I'm going to do is the port D and the segment there, and this port D pin 7 is neutral because we are not going to use that pin 7, and the segment DB in the board. So I'm going to connect port D0 in there with the segment A, and next one is going to use this white one to the 2, and next one there, and next white one is going to be and C in there. Okay, and I need to connect third one with the D, and fourth one with E, and fifth with F, and the G with the 6th, but we know we are going to leave that 7 here and DB in the segment. Now I'm going to connect the last one, the port C, with the key LCD data. So I'm using 4 cables at the moment, and in there 7 is connecting with the 7, and six is connecting with the 6, and the third one, sorry, the 5th with the 5th, and 4th with the 4th in the LCD data. So you can see that the port C6724 has connected with LCD data 724, and now I have another 2 more wires to connect. That is for the port pin 3 and the pin 2, and this is a the 023 in this one is by defaulting, it's like going to ground for by defaulting, but port 3 I'm going to enabling using by this port. Pin 3 in here is going to connect with 3 here, and we're going to use pin 2 to get read and write data in the LCD data. That's all. That's the whole connection is that. And port, we have connected port A, B, C and D, and this is the whole connection. And this is end of our video, and thank you very much for watching. Thank you.